Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have LookFantastic for November, their beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So LookFantastic beauty box for November just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what this month brings. They do mail this in another small box that I remove, and this is what's down inside. I love their boxes. I say it in every video. I use these boxes for storage and to send out stuff for you guys when I do giveaways. So I love their boxes. I definitely keep every single one. So this is the box for this month. It's like a nice burgundy color with orange, very pretty. So let's get it opened. When you open it up, there is the pamphlet right on top, and it has their LookFantastic sticker. When you remove the sticker, what's inside is that right there. So let's go ahead and see what we have for this month. So the first item I'm pulling out, it says Detox Unpolluted. What is this? Oxygen Light Cream. Very pretty packaging. It looks like kind of like a bamboo or a wooden lid. This right here is a lightweight face cream. It provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types. So that is really cool. So we have this, there's not pricing on it, so I don't have a value, but you do have that lightweight moisturizing cream for your face. So there's that. Now we have, it says In Transit Camera Close-Up. This works. Mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. Wow, that's a lot of different things combined into one. So it looks like this would have been two different things. You would have got Perfect Legs, Skin Miracle, or In Transit Camera Close-Up. Feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. The Perfect Legs Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to your skin. Your In Transit Camera Close-Up is a mask, moisturizer, and a primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. Wow, that's really neat. So I'm excited to use that. And this is a 15 ml. So you have that. Next you have is a product by Philip Kingsley, and this says Bodybuilding Weightless Conditioner. Oh, good. And we have the Bodybuilding Shampoo. I love when they give both because then you get to test them out. This is a small sample, so you can either test them out or you can save them for travel. I like to save a lot of these little ones when I do travel because then they're travel friendly. But it looks like you could have got a Pure Color Frizz Fighting Gloss, or you would have got the shampoo and conditioner. So that is really neat that we get both of those to try out. Let me smell this one. There's no safety seal. It has a slight scent. It's not like very overpowering. It does have a nice slight scent to it. So now we have, it says Ice Pure and I hate saying that word. I wish it was a different word. Micellar, whatever the heck that is, water. That's what that is. And this says Ice Pure, whichever, water with Arctic cotton. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without over drying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. So that's cool. That's a good size too. And then it looks like nope, there's still two items in here. This item right here is kind of already open. It's from, this is a long wear lipstick and it's from 3NA. I never knew that that's because this logo, but I guess it's 3INA. The long wear lipstick. Get the perfect pout with help from this 3INA lipstick. And it would have came in, it looks like several different colors. I received the shade Made in Italy. It looks like 502, and then underneath it, it says 19L31. So I'm not sure which one that is, but here's the packaging. Some of them like pull out and you have a sample in there, but that's not this one. Holy moly, is there a seal? Nope, but, oh, is it a liquid? It is. Don't do that. Twisted. There's the color right there. It looks like that's going to be a really pretty color. It's like a pinkish, mauvish color. Let's put it on. I think that's a little too pink for me. Shit's getting all on my teeth, let me tell you. But it's a light pink. It's lighter than I thought it was gonna be. But I think that's so cute that this looks like a lipstick and it's not. I wonder how many people are gonna pull that thing off like I just did. Thinking, what the hell? Oh, maybe the color is just 502 because that's what it says right there. So you have a liquid lip, which is could have been different colors. It looks like there was one that was like a darker shade and then a red too, based on the picture right there. And then the last item in here, you guys, is right here. This is Lord and Berry, and it says it's an eye pencil. And it's a very light shade. I only use black, so I'll save this for one of you guys. I'll put it in my giveaway pile. But there is it looks like a goldish color. And it's Lord and Berry. It looks like gold right there too. This Lord and Berry eye pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long lasting. In a gorgeous gold bronze shade to make your eyes pop. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this November Look Fantastic box, you guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 7 items this month. So we have the eye pencil. We have the micellar water. We have this shampoo and conditioner. You have this close-up, which is a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one. That sounds amazing. You have a good size light face moisturizing cream. And then you have a liquid lipstick. That is everything that came in this box, you guys. What did you think of the products that came in this November box? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you want to know a little bit more about Look Fantastic as far as the pricing goes, I'll let you know a thing or two right about now. They did give me a new link down below. The link already has the code embedded into it, so all you have to do is follow the link if you would like to get this deal. They have a new thing now for you guys. If you would like to go for the whole 12-month subscription, you get your very first box for only $1. That's what the code will get you, your first box for only $1. You can still follow the link if you would like to just get a month to month. It's just that if you do the whole 12 months, they do discount your very first box to $1. This box is $19 per month if you just do month to month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $18. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $17. And if you go to the full 12 months, it brings it down to $16 per box, but your first box would be $1. It also is free international shipping, which I do like that. So international shipping is no charge. And you normally always get a combined total worth of $6 or higher in every box. Again, I love the boxes that they come in. You get some really neat products to try out. If they're sample sizes and you like them, you can go and purchase the full size. So that is everything that I have to show and tell you about Look Fantastic for this month, you guys. Definitely comment down below. Again, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. What is that? You know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.